Hey y'all, and welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. My name's Leslie. I am the Farming Pastor's Wife, and I am looking mighty rough today. I don't normally look quite this bad. But anyway, today is just going to be a short, sweet update video. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit the bell notification. I do lots of cooking videos. Today just does not happen to be one of them. But this is just a quick update video on the other two projects. The remodel has pretty much come to an end with the exception of me putting everything back. This is project number 1. So everything needs to go back and we need to finish painting. Other than that, the remodel project is complete. So we'll finish that after vacation. Project number 2 is over at Caroline's house. I think I may in this video refer to the stack house over at the farm as project number 2. I don't remember. But anyway, project number 2 is Caroline's house. I'll show you that, and I'll give you 2 days worth of update on the house, the stack house over at the farm. So that's what this video is about, short and sweet. Hey, and I'll give you a quick glimpse of our VBS, one of the nights at VBS, just a quick glimpse. Okay guys, here is an update on project number 2. I think I may have said or referred to the stack house as project number 2. I'm not sure. But this is actually Caroline's house. And I wanted to give y'all an update. That's actually the garage you're looking at right there. There's her front steps. Yikes, I know. We're gonna actually be putting dirt. We're gonna bring the yard up a little bit. So they've actually, the foundation is done and they've actually started framing today. This is an exciting day, and we're gonna fix to go to the beach, and we're gonna come home and it's gonna be done. Not really done, but it might be partially framed by the time we get home. This will drive Bryant absolutely crazy. The Stack house and Caroline's house, they're going to be working on really hard and heavy while we're gone. So I think I picked a good week for us to go on vacation. Actually, I didn't pick it. It just kind of fell that way. But I think the Lord had a plan and knew that Bryant needed to get away. And maybe the workers needed him to get away. So hopefully he can get some rest this week while her house continues to go up. Exciting times. I'm standing actually behind our hay barn. There's our hay barn. So this is where Caroline is going to be, kind of directly behind my hay barn. She said she didn't mind looking at the back of my hay barn. So yeah, that's what's happening now. And they're unloading some. In fact, Bryant went and got a skid steer and he's unloading some stuff, or he's trying to. So more supplies are coming. Exciting days. Okay guys, I believe we refer to this as project number 3. My remodel at the home being project 1, Caroline's house being project 2, and this one being project 3. This is our litter shed, or otherwise known as a stack house. It is, the holes have been dug, the wood is out, and so we are getting ready for this process. We're excited. This is a place where we can store the chicken litter and do some composting. So we're excited to get this done. Now we're going off on vacation, and a lot's going to be happening at Caroline's house, a lot's happening here, and it's going to kill Bryant to be away from all this excitement and activity. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on project number 3. Okay guys, we're back over here again at the chicken house. I wanted to update you one more time before this video ends. I wanted to show you the progress on the stack house, project number 3. I'm not sure what I listed it as before, but it's project number 3. So let me turn you around and show you. Okay guys, you can see back there in the back between the chicken houses, that is our stack house being built. All the trusses are up. It's going to change the landscape of our farm. It's just going to make it look so clean. So we're going to go around there and I'll show you what they've got done. Okay guys, it's just around the bend. Look at there. I mean, the thing is huge. Good night.
What size it is?
I'm not sure. What size is it?
It's 42 foot wide, 152 foot long, with a 15-foot concrete apron on both ends. So from concrete to concrete, it's 184 feet.
And the concrete's like a pad to park or pull into.
Right. So yeah.
Will the floor be concrete?
Yes, it will. 4 inches thick of concrete.
So concrete all the way through.
What this does is it's a facility that will hold our litter and the compost bins, which are the bins that when the chickens decease, we put them in there and
let them compost down to use as fertilizer or whatever.
Right, natural organic matter. And so the litter we keep and put it on all of our cow pastures and to help for the fertilizing of the soil, to keep it rich where it produces great grass and hay for the cows. And the natural conservation resource system of North Carolina does not like any runoff into streams as far as the chicken litter goes. You can only let chicken litter sit outside for 14 days by law. And so you can only let chicken litter sit outside for 14 days by law, and so therefore we're building this facility to keep the chicken litter clean of any rain or debris or anything like that, and that way we can spread it when the seasonal needs arise as far as the hay that we produce or the cow pastures. The other way we used to do it without this facility, I had to spread it right then, and so therefore the season may not be conducive. It may be mid-January and I'm out here trying to spread chicken litter, but the problem is the cow pastures and the hay fields are wet, and I'm miring them up and leaving tracks, and that's not conducive. So now we can store the litter in there, we can time the weather, we can time the season, and so this is just going to make our operation just a little more user-friendly to achieve the results that we want as far as the perfect hay growth and pasture growth and things like that.
Okay, y'all, I've given you two separate, well, actually three, two here and one at Caroline's updates, and then we'll see when we get home from vacation what has taken place. Poor Bryant's gonna go crazy, aren't you?
Yes.
During vacation, not being here, knowing what's going on.
Missing Caroline's project.
So, anyway, when we get back, we'll be sure to update you again on what's taken place and how far we've come. So thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife, and always remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Love you guys.